Hey everyone, this is Jason from Lock Rocket. Just wanted to do a quick video today about how to clean handlebars, handle grips. If you've bought a used bike, fortunately my buddy lost his bike a few days ago and I helped him get a new one. And well, I wouldn't say new, but this is used. Couple, maybe 10, 15 years old. Came with some cool handlebars, kind of nice grips, but they're a bit dirty. And what I've got for you is a tip on how to clean these handle grips with just everyday household goods. So just follow along and I'll show you how to clean them. First up, what I like to do is, what I've done in the past is clean with oil. It might be counterintuitive, but oil picks up all the dirt, grease, dust out of rubber, and then you follow it up with alcohol. So I've got with me today some just oil I picked up out of the counter. It's not really important to use seed oil. This is just something I had in my cupboard, but it's going to work anyways because we're going to remove all the greasiness and oil from the grips using alcohol afterwards. So let me just get to it and show you how before and after works. So just going to soak my rag here with some oil, and we're going to see all the dirt and grime that it's going to pick up. You can be a bit generous with the application with the oil. You're going to see how it picks up all the grime off the grips. And cleaning handle grips. You can see that all that it immediately picked up all that crap. You got to use some elbow grease. If you don't know what that means. Oh, you can see also right here, you can see the clean spot and the dirty spot from where the oil, you can see the oil taken off, basically making it look like new, right? So it's practically looking like new. And you can see the dirt here, all that shit coming off. Those are the caps. That's a plastic cap, keeps the you can see all the crap that's coming off. This is practically starting to look like new, right? So I don't know if you could see the difference between this one and the old one, but it's pretty much lighter. Get in there with some good elbow grease. Maybe go over it one more time with some oil. I mean, my buddy's going to be really happy with me because, I mean, it's basically restoring it to like new. And, well, Camelina oil is like very boutique. You could just use everyday, like I said earlier, mineral oil. Just get some good elbow grease in there. Mineral oil is probably the best. Like baby oil is like mineral oil, so I'd recommend using that for cleaning most dirty things on a bike, actually. But you don't want to leave oil on what you clean. You always want to clean it off, especially if it's a chain. If you're cleaning a chain, you could actually also use chain and gears. You could actually also use oil. You just want to be able to remove it afterwards and put the appropriate kind of lubricant on there that's meant for it. Anyways, so I don't know if you can tell the difference. This is practically new looking, and so now we'll do the final pass here with oil, and get that greasy feel out. You can use a, yeah, because it feels really greasy right now. Okay, I'm gonna get a separate rag and use alcohol on there. Right, so just really drench it, right? Because I used a copious amount of oil before. It's really saturated with oil. You're just gonna want to soak it with alcohol and cut all that grease out. Basically, again, turning this into basically restoring it to almost new. And that cuts the grease, right? That just dissolves the grease right away. And yeah, now we've got a clean towel and just probably won't take much dirt off, but now you can feel there's absolutely no more grease in that grip. And basically have a brand new looking and fully restored handle grip here. So before and after, and there's no grease in that anymore. And there you have it, nicely restored vintage handle grip.